So children, we have studied about classification of acids and bases. So up to page 40 we have read. Now from the next page we will start. So classification of acid and bases on the basis of basicity of acid and acidity of bases. Now these are totally new terms for you. So first you must know what do you mean by basicity of acid and what is acidity of base. So underline the definition. Basicity of acid, the number of hydrogen ions produced in one molecule of an acid in aqueous solution is called basicity of acid. See only this definition. Refer only this definition. Don't see this. No need to see this. The number of hydrogen ions produced in one molecule of the acid in aqueous solution is called basicity of acid. And what is acidity of base? The number of hydroxyl ions which can be produced in one molecule of the base in aqueous solution. Only up to here. Again, no need to read this. This will be easier for you. Now on this basis, acids are divided into three types: monobasic acid, dibasic acid and tribasic acid. Mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3. First come to monobasic acid. Monobasic acid is an acid which ionizes in aqueous solution to produce only one hydrogen ion in one molecule of the acid. Only one hydrogen ion. For example, see HCl. Now this HCl, when HCl dissociates completely, it will form H plus and Cl minus. So how many hydrogen ion in HCl? Only one hydrogen ion. So this is monobasic acid. HCl dissociates in H plus and Cl minus. So this is an example of monobasic acid. Second point is monobasic acids dissociate in only one step in aqueous solution. They will not divide in 2-3 steps. They completely dissociate in only one step. HCl, when dissolves in water, hydronium ion and chloride ion is formed. So its basicity is 1. Don't find the basicity from this. Find the basicity from here. This HCl. HCl dissociates in H plus and Cl minus. H plus and Cl minus. So how many hydrogen ion? Only 1. So this is monobasic acid. Example: HCl, HNO3, CH3, COOH. H plus, NO3 minus, again one hydrogen ion, monobasic acid. CH3COO minus and H plus, here also one hydrogen ion. So these three are examples of monobasic acid. Third point of monobasic acid, they form only one type of salt, and that salt is also normal salt, neither acidic nor basic. NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. NaCl is normal salt, neutral. Second is dibasic. Dibasic acids are those acids which ionize in aqueous solution to produce two hydrogen ions in one molecule of the acid. They dissociate in 2 steps. Now they cannot dissociate in one step, they dissociate in 2 steps. First, H2SO4 dissolves in water to form hydronium ion and hydrogen sulfate ion. This hydrogen sulfate further dissolves in water to form hydronium ion and sulfate ion. Now combine these. When you will combine these two equations, what will you get? This H2SO4, this HSO4 and HSO4 ये cancel. बचा क्या? H2SO4. Now 1 molecule of H2O plus 1 molecule of H2O, it forms 2 molecule of H2O, so 2H2O. H3O, H3O, 2H3O. This is already cancelled, remains SO4 minus 2. So how many hydrogen? H2SO4 dissociates in 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. So here 2 hydrogen ions. So it is an example of dibasic acid. Basicity is 2. So see this part. 2 hydrogen ion. Fourth point, or you can say third point, is they form two types of salts. One is normal salt and another is acidic salt. For example, NaOH, this is a base, reacts with acid, sulfuric acid, base plus acid, salt and water. Here one salt, NaHSO4. Again NaOH plus H2SO4 forms Na2SO4 and H2O. So these are the two salts formed, acidic salt and normal salt. Tribasic acid. Tribasic acid means the acid which ionizes in aqueous solution to produce 3 hydrogen ions in one molecule of acid. 3 hydrogen ions. So they dissociate in 3 steps. Monobasic acid dissociates in 1 step, dibasic acid dissociates in 2 steps, tribasic acid dissociates in 3 steps. What are those 3 steps? Example of tribasic acid is phosphoric acid, H3PO4. So first this phosphoric acid dissolves in water to form hydronium ion and H2PO4. Again this H2PO4 dissolves in water to form hydronium ion and HPO4. Again this HPO4 dissolves in water to form hydronium ion and phosphate ion. Now combine all these three. तीनों को अब कंबाइन करो. पहले तो देखो क्या यहाँ पे कट रहा है, क्या क्या कटेंगे. H3PO4 लिखा मैंने, ये H2PO4 H2PO4 ये कटे, कैंसल. ये HPO4 ये HPO4 ये भी कैंसल. तो यहाँ से बच गया H3PO4, इधर बच गया 1 + 1 + 1. तो टोटल हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर? 3H2O. इधर कितने हाइड्रोनियम आयन? 3 हाइड्रोनियम आयन, और इनमें से बच क्या गया? सिर्फ फॉस्फेट आयन. So this is the ultimate final equation after combining all these 3 steps. So what will be the basicity? 3. How many hydrogen ions are formed here? 3. H3 in one molecule of phosphoric acid. So basicity is 3. Understood, children? Okay. Write these equations in your notebook. These are very important. These are the names of these compounds given in the textbook. So please learn thoroughly. Then come to base. Monoacidic, diacidic, triacidic. Same way. The bases which ionize in aqueous solution to produce only one hydroxyl ion in one molecule of the base. NaOH, Na plus OH. They also dissociate in one step. Same way. They dissociate in one step. They also dissociate in one step. So what will be the acidity? Acidity is 1. Only one OH minus. So 1. Always remember, for base we will use the word acidity, and for acid we will use the word basicity. Remember this. So these are the examples of monoacidic base. NaOH, KOH, NH4. All only one OH ion is formed. Second is diacidic base. Diacidic base ionizes to produce 2 hydroxyl ions in one molecule of the base. 2. They dissociate in one step. Calcium hydroxide, when dissolves in water, they dissociates in Ca2 plus and 2OH minus. Copper hydroxide, when dissolves in water, dissociates in Cu2 plus and 2OH minus. So how many OH is produced? 2. So acidity is 2. Example CaOH2, ZnOH2, CuOH2. Then triacidic base. These bases ionize in aqueous solution to produce 3 hydroxyl ions in one molecule of the base. They also dissociate in one step. Example AlOH3, ammonium hydroxide. How many OH ion? 3. FeOHC, here also 3. So what will be the acidity? 3. Clear? বন্ধ করে এটাই টিপ দিই তো বন্ধ